What about this particular one? Mamman Daura, the president's nephew, said the next election should be based on competence and not zoning. I'm not sure he knows the meaning of competence because who competence Cage is all the last election, or he wants to change things. Because if he wants to change things, then let us open the discussion. Does he understand that zoning is part of federal character? And that zoning is the reason why if a president is from the north, the vice will be from maybe west or south. Also kana zoning. Or he wants everybody to be south and everybody will be north. A day like that. Does he also understand that part of federal character is quota system? Or we should not go there. Honorable Minister, off your mic. No, let us start now. Quota. So people who get 99 in JAMB can now have admission, or should we leave that one alone? Selective truth. And you forget that federal character is spread across board. Both quota system, both allocation, if any needs on a federal character. Or you choose your truth economically, zoning. And I liked the reactions we had from that particular conversation. Meanwhile, Kaime family meeting. Let us do family meeting. We've finished with Daura. We've told him that zoning is a federal character. But let us come to our Anambra election that is coming very soon. Again, Ochanja. Ochanja, the governor can come from anywhere. Zoning does not matter. Manero na federal, a chowa zoning so that it will reach us. No, now it's not like that. If there is zoning in the federal, there should be zoning in the states. Don't talk from two sides of your mouth. We started the week with a good news. But I'm not the good news at Tuaria. Dr. Stella Emmanuel, a Cameroonian doctor who is abroad, said that a combination of hydroxychloroquine, zithromax, and zinc is a good cure for coronavirus, and she has tried it on 350 patients, and it worked. Donald Trump retweeted it. We're so happy. The thing got a lot of clout. Facebook took it down. Twitter took it down. Said it was misleading. Is it no longer the cure? They now start asking Donald Trump, why did you delete it after retweeting? He said that he didn't know her person. A person and their belief, their religious belief, and their profession, are they intertwined or are they separate? So I'd like to know in the comment section. Because they started to dig out things about her religion. She believes in demons. She does studies, alien studies, some offended DNA alien. And they started to bring it out, and it was quite not things people like to hear. But there are studies in that regard. She might be studying in that regard, but because she was preaching, they discredited her. In fact, a lot of people came out to discredit her. But there are also doctors who said that they have tried this and it worked on their patients too. And the question remains, if she were a white doctor, to be honest, if she were a white doctor, they for discredit them like that. Facebook took it down, called it misleading. Twitter took it down, even suspended her account temporarily for some time. I feel like they would have given her benefit of doubt first before they called her misleading, because she used to do Ifende alien. But let us know in the comment section, what do you think? What about this Akoko Kali? Bashir El-Rufai, don't you annoy us. You are in no position, in fact, you and your father are in no position to give political or leadership advice. Remove the log in your eye first before you talk about bad roads in Abia. We don't want to hear it from you. There's killing, there's bloodshed in Southern Kaduna. You're talking about bad roads in Abia State. Did we ask you? Did we seek your opinion? Let's now discuss family matter, because even the family where they fight outside, where they kill themselves, when you attack one person, all of them will come out for you. Governor Okezie Ikpeazu will be chopped insult because of bad roads in Aba. We go defend you, no wala. But let us tell you the truth. That road is actually Ngwa Road. if I see clearly, that's Ngwa Road. And from Ngwa Road by Agarandu to where Adam and Eve Park is, over a 9 to 10 kilometer road is not motorable. You have to enter inside street and take Okada. That road has been like that. That was actually where I was born, and that road has been like that for over 15 years. Government after government. Governor Keze Ikpeazu, for my sake, please save lives, properties, and business. We dare you to go and park tractor on that road on Monday. What about this? You remember that girl, that Babcock girl that her video leaked last year? She has gotten scholarship to go and study in Obodo Oyibo. I don't know. Some people are not happy. Not like they're not happy for her, but they are not happy with the people who are sponsoring the scholarship. They say, there are other people. Are you encouraging immorality? There are other people, hardworking people. You should have given the money instead of encouraging immorality. What are you telling the next generation? As well as say, what of the boy? What of them like the video? Why not sponsor the boy too? As well as saying, allowing them. Are you listening? Is it your money? It is their money. Allow them to do what they like with it, sponsor who they like with it. But in the course of all this, I think the girl deserves a chance at happiness. And the trauma, imagine the trauma she would